Imagine this picture. Your installers come unprepared, and some of the installers being pulled off to the other job, and you as a customer sit in the office and doesn't know what's going on. This is what I was facing in traditional installation company. They always put me in the fire, no information, and we have to hustle on the jobs. In 2019, I opened my own company with very important mission to make this process more innovative and easy to our print shop customers so they can focus and be productive on their business while my team doing the installation for them.
My name is Michael Gravely with Quick Print, Boston. We've been in business since 1963. We're third generation printers. It was hard for us to find a good vendor who could show up on time and give us great results and then give us great communication as well. We got a call from EasyWayInstall and they gave us an opportunity to try them out, and they knocked the ball right out of the park.
I remember a time about a year ago, we were working with an installer who had a mishap at one of our recurring customers. That's actually when we found EasyWay. We were able to get the EasyWay team out there, do a walkthrough, and get multiple installations scheduled for the upcoming week with only a day's notice.
Today, we're proud to say that EasyWayInstall has transformed the industry. Our clients no longer have to worry about the problem that plagued them in the past. They can focus on what they do best and knowing that their installation are good hands from the planning to the moment job is done.
The features I would say work best for us would be the communication and really there's the samples that they provide. Anytime that we have questions, they come out and communicate with our clients on our behalf. They're basically kind of an extension of our wide format team.
All of our clients love EasyWay. We have had multiple customers who have specifically asked to only work with them as installers, and we've really enjoyed working with them as well.
Do it easy. Get it done.